this is Everett. Today I'm going to guide you through the steps necessary to solve subtraction problems with decimals. As you will see, it is quite similar to subtracting whole numbers, which you have learned earlier this school year. The first problem I'm going to solve is 48 and 97 hundredths minus 3 and 215 thousandths. Write your multi-digit numbers vertically, similar to how you would when subtracting whole numbers. When lining up these decimal numbers, make sure the decimals are perfectly aligned on top of one another. If they are off, the answer will be wrong. Starting as far right as possible and making your way left, start subtracting the numbers. In this problem, we start in the thousandths place. 48 and 97 hundredths does not have a digit in the thousandths column, so we add a 0 to fill that space. Be sure that the digits in your answer are neat and in the correct columns. To include the decimal in your answer, simply bring it straight down from the problem to the difference. Always check your work after completing a problem to make sure no errors were made. I aligned my decimals correctly, I subtracted everything correctly, and I put the decimal in the correct location in the difference. Now let's take a look at some 5th grade students solving a few more decimal subtraction problems. Kenny is solving 56 and 435 thousandths minus 43 and 212 thousandths. First, he is writing the problem vertically on the board and aligning the decimals on top of one another. Now he's starting to subtract in the thousandths column. He is making his way left through the place value columns. Now he's bringing the decimal straight down from the problem to his answer. His answer is 13 and 223 thousandths, but he is checking his work for mistakes. Great job, Kenny. Sierra is solving 8 and 368 thousandths minus 1 and 25 hundredths. First, she is writing the problem vertically on the board and aligning the decimals on top of one another. Now she's starting to subtract in the thousandths column. She's making her way left through the place value columns. Now she's bringing the decimal straight down from the problem to her answer. Her answer is 7 and 118 thousandths, but she is checking her work for mistakes. Great job, Sierra. Madden is solving 38 and 23 hundredths minus 16 and 53 hundredths. First, he is writing the problem vertically on the board and aligning the decimals on top of one another. Now he's starting to subtract in the hundredths column. He is making his way left through the place value columns. Madden realizes he cannot subtract 2 minus 5, so he does some borrowing. Now he's bringing the decimal straight down from the problem to his answer. His answer is 21 and 70 hundredths, or 21 and 7 tenths, but he's checking his work for mistakes. Great job, Madden. Pretty easy, right? As long as you remember to line up your decimals, you'll do great. Thanks for watching.